Ready to transform your home into a personal fitness zone? Meet the ultimate game changer for your workouts, the Sunny Health and Fitness Adjustable Door Mount Pull-Up Bar. Training with the pull-up bar offers powerful benefits for upper body strength, core stability, and overall fitness, all from the convenience of home. It's one of the most efficient body weight tools for building muscle, improving posture, and enhancing functional movement. Pull-ups target major muscle groups, including the latissimus dorsi, biceps, trapezius, deltoids, and pectorals, helping you to build upper body strength. Regular use improves muscle tone and power in your arms, shoulders, chest, and back. It also enhances core stability. Holding your body weight on the bar builds forearm and hand strength, which benefits sports, lifting, and daily tasks. A pull-up bar allows for multiple exercises: pull-ups, chin-ups, leg raises, hanging stretches, push-ups, dips, all in one compact tool. This adjustable portable pull-up bar installs in seconds and provides a rock-solid hold, so you can train hard without worrying about it slipping or sagging. The built-in anti-rotation safety prevents the bar from twisting under tension, keeping every chin-up, static hold, or slow negative movement wobble-free. Sized for common U.S. residential door frames, padded support sleeves protect your doorway and help keep the bar stable. The pull-up bar has been lab-tested to support up to 330 pounds, tested at full extension under static load. It's designed for body weight training, not swinging or dynamic gymnastic movements. So we advise using it solely for the purpose it was intended. This adjustable pull-up bar anchors firmly into your doorway without screws or any drilling. As long as your frame or doorway has a rigid, load-bearing frame, setup is quick, clean, and damage-free. Side markers help you extend and align the bar evenly, so every install is straight, stable, and repeatable, even if you move it between rooms. I'd like to demonstrate how easy it is to install this unit. If the bar is installed on a suitable door frame and does not obstruct use of the door, it can remain in place. Just make sure it's firmly locked before each use. In conclusion, remember that our customer service team at Sunny are happy to work alongside you every step of your fitness journey. Please reach out to our team if you have any questions regarding this product. We want you to get the most out of your workout experience.